Hello everyone, how you guys are doing? My name is Prakhar Shrivastava and I am presenting you this particular course on machining and machine tools to on Unacademy Gate MEPI XC channel. So let me brief you about myself. My name is Prakhar Shrivastava. I have secured All India third rank in Gate 2016. Then I took admission into IIT Bombay and finally completed my masters from NITI Mumbai. From past 3 years I am teaching and I am associated with an academy with approximately, you can say, 22,000 plus students have been mentored by me. So thank you all for your love and support. The subjects that I deal with is industrial engineering, manufacturing management and engineering mathematics. Okay, and if you want to join an academy, you can use the code CRACK10 to get 10% off, or you can also use the code PRAKHAR21 to get to the code. Both the codes belong to me. You can join an academy using my code, and I'll be more than happy to mentor you on an academy platform. But what is an academy plus? Sir, what is an academy plus? So see, I always say that to crack exam you require proper strategy. Now more than your strategy which matters, more or less सबकी strategy same ही होती है. But the basic part of strategy is knowledge. First you need to get knowledge, then you need to get revision, and after you get revision you need to get the practice part. You need to get the practice part. Is it clear? Strategy, knowledge, revision and practice. Now in live classes we will be giving you the knowledge part, that is the concept, that is the feeling of the topic, what the topic is all about. ठीक है, what you need to do, what you need not to do, what you need to cover, what you need not to cover. Second is the crash course. You will be getting the crash course, that is the revision modules. Okay. Third will be the rank improvement batch. Rank improvement batch is nothing but the practice modules. You will be given the practice question, approximately 1500 to 2000 question in mechanical, which will be more than enough for you to crack the exam. You would be getting the doubt clearing session after every third session, and you will also be getting the weekly test to monitor your growth. And yes, the lectures will be conducted both in English and Hindi. Apart from that, there is one more product that is offered by an academy, that is the Iconic subscription. Iconic subscription says that in Iconic subscription you will be getting the personal guidance or the mentorship by a coach, okay, who will be helping you out in a exam preparation. Whenever you are feeling low, he or she will be helping you out in guiding you throughout your journey. Then you would be getting the preparatory study material, that is the books and the practice sets, so that you don't have to waste your time in finding them. You would be getting the proper study planner, that is, you can say, basically the time schedule, so that you can optimize your time, what to study, when to study, how to study and what not to study. You would be provided with the booster sessions. Okay, booster session means like psychology, how to keep your health like fine while preparation, how to wake up early in the morning, how to revise effectively, how to attempt MCQ in the best possible way, how to cheer up yourself before the examination, how to deal with anxiety. All these are booster session which will give you guidelines and the regular, you can say, the regular motivation that you require to crack the exam. And this is my personal favorite, that is personalized test analysis. We all give test series, but what we don't focus is analyzing that which area is weak, by which area is strong, which area to focus on, which area not to focus on, what are the areas in which I am not getting any marks, which subjects are weak. Okay, so all these things are very very important, and we will be helping you out in a proper structured preparation and cracking the exam in just this attempt. ठीक है, I will not say first attempt because already कई लोगों का first attempt हो चुका है, but yes, you can crack the exam in this attempt if you are properly preparing with us. Now sir, what are the charges? So if I talk about charges, the charges are 27,225 rupees for 1 year, 34,650 rupees for 18 months, 39,600 rupees for 2 years. When? Only and only when you are applying the code CRACK10 or PRAKHAR21 or PRAKHAR21. If you are applying these codes, you will be getting. And now what are the charges for Iconic subscription? You would be getting it for 45,225 rupees for 1 year and 66,600 rupees for 2 years. Is it clear to all of you? Now I don't think you would be requiring more than anything this. ठीक है, the code that you need to use is also available to you. Why are you waiting? Then let us join. Let us start with this lecture on drilling operations. Drilling operations. Is it clear? Drilling operations.
थोड़ा सा I'll directly go to this syllabus, and in syllabus mechanics of machining is done. Basic machine tool is like the theoretical topic, that is lathe machine, milling machine, drilling machine. I am talking about the machines. ठीक है, basic machine tool are the machines. Single point cutting tool, multi point cutting tools is done, tool geometry is done, then tool material is done, tool life is done, tool wear is done, economics of machining is done, and now we are going to start with the processes. Now we are going to start with the processes. So what is the last thing that we discussed? This is what we have discussed in the last lecture. Yes or no? Economics of machining. This is what we have discussed in the last lecture. Let us start with the processes now. मैं फर्स्ट स्लाइड खोल लूं यार, MC1. पहले लेक्चर में हमने कुछ किया था ना यार, वो पहले लेक्चर की स्लाइड चाहिए थी मुझे. पहले वाले लेक्चर में अगर हो जाता तो मैं मजा आ जाती, बिकॉज आई हैव गिवन यू दिस माइंड मैप टाइप ऑफ अ थिंग ना. मैंने आपको एक माइंड मैप दिया था. डू यू गाइज रिमेंबर दैट? प्लीज ओपन दैट माइंड मैप दैट आई हैव गिवन यू इन द फर्स्ट लेक्चर ऑफ मेटल कटिंग. Please open that mind map that I have given you in the first lecture of metal cutting. Lecture 2, lecture 3, lecture 4, lecture 5. Are you able to get it? एक बार मैं ढूंढ लेता हूं, because that is literally very important, very important. This is not the thing. ओके चलो ठीक है, जहां पर भी होगा छोड़ो. ओके, सो we will start with the entirely new topic. ठीक है, now in metal cutting, the first thing we have discussed about the mechanics, that is what are the forces involved, what is the power involved, what is the velocity, what is stress, what is the strain, and every other thing. ठीक है, इसके अंदर we saw merchant circle also. That is, if a product is there, what are the forces required to cut it? Then we move to the topic of tools. That is, what is the tool with the help of which we will cut it? First pillar was, what are the forces that we require to cut it? Second pillar was, what is the tool that we need to cut it? Okay. Then the third part, we have discussed about the economics of cutting. That is, what is the cost of cutting? What is the cost associated with metal cutting? Then we are now moving to the fourth topic, different processes. Now metal cutting can take place in many ways. For example, it can be a turning operation, it can be a grinding operation, it can be the drilling operation, it can be the milling operation. Okay, turning, grinding, milling, drilling. Okay, then you can say taper turning. There are multiple operations. There are n number of operations. Okay, now we have to see what is the time associated with machining. This is the most important topic now. What is the time for machining? What is the time for machining? Is it clear? What is the time for machining? What is the time for machining? Is it clear? So let us start with the first topic. ठीक है? Please note it down. Simple. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Now, देखो, if you are concerned with the economics, if you are concerned with the money, you should obviously know what is the time required to do an operation. एक मशीनिंग को करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा, दैट इज माय बेसिक क्राइटेरिया, दैट इज माय बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट, यस और नो. You should know what is the time required in drilling, you should know what is the time required in milling. That is what you are there for, that is what your objective is, because depending on your time you will pay your worker, you will pay your worker. So being a production engineer you should know the time. So time is simple, distance upon speed. Sir क्या बोल रहे हो sir? Sir what is distance upon speed? Where is distance, where is the speed? Please pay attention. Distance upon speed, distance upon speed. Sir what is the distance? Distance is the total length traveled by the tool, total length traveled by the tool divided by what is the velocity. What is velocity? Velocity is mm per second या mm per minute, yes or no? So you take feed rate and you multiply it with rpm, you automatically get mm per minute. You take feed rate in mm per revolution and here you multiply it with revolution per minute, rpm is revolution per minute, so the result is mm per minute, yes or no? So if you multiply feed rate with rpm, if you multiply feed rate with rpm, you will get the speed. If you multiply feed rate with rpm, you will get the speed. You will get the speed, you will get the speed. So can you write f into n here? So can you write time is equal to L upon Fn? Is it justified to write time is equal to L upon Fn? Yes or no? Yes. Where L is the length in mm, F is the feed rate in mm per revolution. Per revolution. Okay. N is revolution per minute. N is revolution per minute. Okay. N is revolution per minute. And hence this is the formula. And this is the general formula. General formula for time. It is applicable to all the processes. It is applicable to all the processes. It is applicable to all the processes. Is it clear? Please note it down. Please note it down, then we will move forward. Please note it down and then we will be moving forward. इतना सब कुछ खुल गया ना, हॉचपॉच सा हो गया ये पूरा. Clear? चलो. So now we will be solving a numerical. Numerical क्या? We will be doing the task. So give the first heading as drilling. Now you need, sound is there or not? Is sound like sound is again creating an issue? Am I audible? देखो आप, suppose you need to machine this workpiece. Suppose you need to machine this workpiece. Now this length is W. This length is W. You require a hole in between. You require a hole in between. You require a hole in between. So what you will do? You place your drill here. This is your drill. Simple. If D is the diameter of the hole, D is the diameter of the drill. D is the diameter of the drill. If D is the diameter of the hole, D is the diameter of the hill. Very simple. Okay? This is your drill. Now, what is the drill travel? If the drill travel from point A to point B, what will happen? The machining will be done? No. You have to see this thing. अच्छा यहाँ पे तो हो जाता है ना. Now you need to see this thing. If your drilling is done, your drill travels from point A to point B. So this is the position of your drill. This is the position of your drill if The drill is traveling from point A to point B. So obviously, this is the region which is still not machined. This is the region which is still not machined. This yellow color region is still not machined. Yes or no? If we are making the drill travel only from point A to point B, point A to point B, this yellow color region will still not be machined. Yes or no? So what you need to do? You need to bring it to the lower area. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will bring it to the lower area. So what will happen? Dekho. You will bring your drill to this point. This point. This is the point C. So your drill point, the drill tip travels from A to C. A to C गए हो आप. The total travel is this plus this value. This is the total length traveled. And now the machining will be done. Till the time tip is not reaching C, proper machining will not be done. Proper machining will not be done. Yes or no? So now you need to calculate this value X. Suppose this is your drill. Suppose this is your drill. Now, very simple. This is your drill angle 2 alpha. Drill angle is equal to 2 alpha. So this angle becomes alpha. Now you know this value is nothing but d by 2. That is diameter of drill divided by 2. Diameter of drill divided by 2. Diameter of drill divided by 2. And let this value be equal to x. Can you say tan alpha is equal to d by 2x? And from here you can get the value of x, that is extra travel. That is d by 2 tan alpha. Clear? Clear? So you got the value of x, that is d divided by 2 tan alpha. So what is the total length traveled in drilling? Machining time is equal to total length divided by Fn. What is total length? Total length is W, that is the width of the workpiece, plus d by 2 tan alpha divided by Fn. Okay, this is the total time. And now please be careful, this is not the over travel. If it is given in the question that over travel is 2 mm, that is separate. This is not over travel. This is not over travel. I will give you an idea what over travel is, but this is not over travel. This is the genuine thing that you need to go beyond. If you are not going beyond, this is the part of machining. X is the part of machining. If you are not traveling extra X, you will not be able to do the proper machining, because these yellow wala part will stay in the solid phase. यहाँ तो machining हुई नहीं है. So that is why you actually need to travel W plus X. W plus X. Now X is not the over travel. Please write it down. X is not over travel. Over travel and approach I will tell you. Please note it down. जल्दी करो. चलो, very good. Note it down. Now give the heading approach and over travel. So total length is equal to machining length, that will be depending on you, that is W plus X in our case, plus approach, That is, if it has to start from this part, if it has to start from this part, it will start somewhat away from this part. That is, drill will start from this part. This is known as approach. This is known as approach. Approach length plus over travel length. Is it clear? This is the total length and it is very, very important. So time, this is TL. So time is given by total length divided by Fn. That is feet per second into revolutions per minute. This is the formula and you need to apply these values. Approach and over travel are basically provided for higher surface finish. रफ नहीं रहेगा. अगर आप स्टार्ट से लाओगे तो टिल द टाइम इट इज गोइंग टू टच द वर्क पीस इट हैज ऑलरेडी गेन्ड द स्पीड. एक्सेलरेशन के बाद स्पीड आ गई है, बट इफ यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट द स्पीड विल बी आफ्टर एक्सेलरेशन द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ स्पीड रीच 2 to 3 mm inside the workpiece. So that is why instead of if I have to do the machining from this part, I will start from this part, so that till the time the tool is reaching to the workpiece, it is already having the required acceleration. It is already having the required acceleration for higher surface finish. Okay, and proper machining. Approach and over travel is provided. Approach and over travel is provided. Approach and over travel is provided. Is this thing clear? I hope this will be clear to you. Chalo. Please note it down, guys. Please note it down. This is very simple. Very, very simple. You need not to worry about this. Drilling is done. चलो, दिस इज व्हाट ड्रिलिंग इज. आई होप दैट दिस इज क्लियर. ठीक है, इसका एक न्यूमेरिकल करोगे आपको सब समझ में आ जाएगा. दैट मशीनिंग टाइम फॉर ड्रिलिंग इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. वन बाय वन टुगेदर ओनली आई विल मेक यू सॉल्व द एंटायर प्रॉब्लम. एक एक प्रॉब्लम करने का कोई मतलब है नहीं. मिलिंग. देखो, time is fixed. L upon Fn, this is fixed. L upon Fn, this is fixed. ठीक है, but in milling, feed per tooth is given. And it is denoted by Ft. So F in mm per revolution is equal to feed in mm per tooth divide into number of tooth. Is it clear? So here in this case, feet per minute, feet per revolution, mm per feed in mm per revolution is not given. It is given in mm per tooth, and you need to multiply with number of tooth to get the feed in one revolution. Clear? Chalo. And this is known as multiplication of small f. This is known as feed per minute. feed per minute, because this is in feed per revolution into revolution per minute. So revolution and revolution cancel, the answer becomes feed per minute. 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 ठीक है, feed per minute. So this is represented by capital F. So capital F is equal to small f into n. Small f can be represented as small ft, that is feed per tooth into number of tooth into capital N. This is what feed per mm per minute is equal to. Mm per minute is equal to, this is the feed in mm per minute. This is the feed in mm per tooth, and this is nothing but RPM. Is it clear? So this is the formula that you need to remember. If you remember this formula, you don't have to worry about anything else. If you remember this formula, you need not to worry about anything else. समझ में आया? The total feed is given by this Fn into capital N. Is it clear? Now, there is a small formula that all of you know, that RPM is equal, this N is equal to 1000 V by pi d. 1000 V by pi d. N is equal to 1000 V by pi d. ठीक है, चलो अब ध्यान से समझो मिलिंग में होता क्या है. सो मिलिंग इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स. स्लैब मिलिंग, फेस मिलिंग. फर्स्ट वी विल स्टडी फेस मिलिंग. Suppose this is the surface that you need to machine, and this is your milling cutter. This is your milling cutter. Okay. Now this part is suppose say W, and this part is L. Now very simple. When this part will start, now the cutter starts from this part. The cutter starts from this part and it goes to this part. From point A to point B it is going. At point B, the cutter looks like this. So if you actually check, this is the region which is not machined. This is the region which is not machined. This is the region which is not machined. Yes or no? This is this red color, or you can say white color region, is the region which is actually not machined. So you have to take your milling cutter ahead also. And that is not over travel. That is the genuine travel. Clear? So your machine tool should go like this. Okay, this should be the travel of your machine cutter. एक्चुअली यार मुझे सर्दी बहुत तेज हो रही है यार, पता मन नहीं लग रहा मेरा पढ़ाने में. We'll continue tomorrow, guys. मैंने काफी कोशिश करी बट वो ध्यान जा ही रहा है मेरा, मैं पढ़ा नहीं पा रहा हूँ और वो बार बार नाक भी बंद हो रही है. कल कंटिन्यू करेंगे यार, बिल्कुल एनर्जी भी नहीं बच रही है. रियली सॉरी गाइस. अखिल डीपीपी इस पे लेना पॉसिबल नहीं है, डीपीपी प्लस पे लेता हूं मैं, ठीक है, डीपीपी प्लस पे लेता हूँ, अदरवाइज यू विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। और मैं तो आई एम फ्रैंकली टेलिंग यू अबाउट द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग पार्ट, इफ यू आर प्रैक्टिस if you are actually practicing around 20 years of IES question and GATE question paper, that is more than enough. गेट PYQs के लिए एक चैनल बना हुआ है अखिल, देयर इज अ चैनल कॉल्ड एज गेट क्वेश्चंस, on that I have taken the paper for industrial and production. Okay, on that in that I have taken the paper for industrial and production. Any other doubt? Thank you guys. I'm really sorry यार, पहले उस इशू के लिए और फिर अभी इसके लिए. I'll continue from milling only. I will continue from milling only. I will continue from milling only. Thank you guys. I'm really sorry for the day.
Okay, so I hope that this lecture was really good to you. You can obviously reach out to me on this particular profile, that is Prakhar Shravastav 333 on Unacademy. Okay, you can follow our whole team on the channel on a telegram platform, that is Unacademy ME Gate, Unacademy ME Gate. Okay, please don't forget us to like the Facebook page, that is the Facebook group creatrix.mech, and you will be getting the you can say the real guidance, or you can say the proper structured format, in the proper structured format on Unacademy Gate MEPIXE. There is one more channel, Unacademy Gate Question. I hope you all will like that channel also. Then there are other channels for mechanical student, that is SSC, JE and RRB. So I hope that you will be like enjoying this lecture. Let us meet tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. and the code you don't have to forget is crack10 or Prakhar 21. Prakhar 21. Thank you, all the best. Hope to see you soon tomorrow. Bye bye.